Hello. It's getting warmer. It's a hot one. So, we're now 3 weeks into the new year. And this is around the time it's been studied that New Year's resolutions make or break. So, I'm curious, how was yours going? Any momentum? Hopefully. Now, if some of you haven't managed to stick with your New Year's resolutions, understand. What if you considered a bit more about them and how deep they are, or how what's the word? How not so much how important they are, but just how deep do they mean to you, is what I'm trying to say. I know we have the old standard, I want to get fitter and healthier, and we see that happening every year, and then you just cave. So, as an example, with health and fitness, here's something. Now, I presume some of you have kids, right? Just say your children want to, go to the park and play and all that stuff, but you're lacking energy because you're unfit. What if you use your children as an inspiration to get moving and make some changes? That could be your deeper why. I'm doing it so my kids can see me as a role model, someone that's strong and healthy to look up to. Most of us look at our goals, some of them a little bit too external. Oh, I want to look fit and buff and six-pack and all that shit, and that's all fine. But how many of us get there versus how many that don't? Sure, that can still be your goal, don't get me wrong. But in order to sustain that momentum, what am I getting at is digging a little bit deeper, being a bit more honest with yourself on why you really want it and what's going to carry you through it long term. Not looking for quick fix hacks. They don't work. So, I hope that makes sense. Just thought of that on today's run. And just to focus a bit more on having a deeper why when you're setting a goal for something. Get honest with yourself. Really get honest with yourself. It can be a difficult task, but it's well worth the exercise because results can be amazing. So, on that note, I'm going to keep at it as the sun beats down and then jump in the ocean straight after. Alrighty. Be well, live well. See ya.